Today we'll see about oversubscription of shares. Now, oversubscription of share means the company wants to issue, for example, 1 lakh shares, but the subscription or the applications have been received for 2 lakh or 3 lakh shares, just more than 1 lakh. Now, whenever the company has received applications for more than the number of shares that it is offering to issue, in that case, what the company can do, that is called the case of oversubscription of shares. Means the applications are more than the number of shares available with the company. The company has suppose 1 lakh shares to issue, but the applications have been received for more than 1 lakh share. In such a case, the company has the options that are available with it. The alternatives available with the company are: number 1, rejection. Rejection means just accept the number of applications for the number of shares that the company has. Next is partial or pro rata allotment. Under partial or pro rata allotment, you will issue shares partially. For example, the one who is asking for more number of shares will be provided with less number of shares, so that all the applicants receive shares but in the less amount. The less number of shares are issued to all the applicants so that the company can cater the needs of all the applicants. Or number 3, both. Both means both rejection as well as partial or pro rata allotment. Rejection means first of all some of the applicants will be rejected, and after that the remaining applicants will be provided shares on a lesser basis. A ratio will be decided, and under that ratio shares will be allotted to those applicants after rejection. That is the case of both. Now we will see all the cases separately. For example, the company has 1 lakh shares of 10 each. The company has issued an advertisement offering to issue 1 lakh shares of rupees 10 each, which will be called as rupees 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1. That is 2 on application, 5 on allotment, 2 on first call, and suppose 1 on final call. Applications were received for 3 lakh shares. The company has issued advertisement of issuing only 1 lakh share. However, the applications have been received for 3 lakh shares. In such a case, what the company can do is: number 1, under rejection. Under rejection, the company will accept only the first 1 lakh applications and reject the others. The applications have been received for 3 lakh shares. However, the company will accept only the first 1 lakh applications because the company has only 1 lakh shares. So only 1 lakh applications will be accepted and the other applications will be rejected and reject the others. In such case, when you reject the applications for more than 1 lakh shares, in that case what you will be doing is you also need to refund the money, because with application money is also being sent by the applicants. Whenever the applicants apply for shares, they also send the application money. So whatever excess application money is received by the company also needs to return or refund such application money. So the entries will go this manner. Number 1, bank account debit to equity share application, that is 3 lakh into 2. However, the company has 1 lakh shares, but the applications were received for 3 lakh shares. So number of shares 3 lakh into application money as I have given in the question 2. So application money will be received rupees 6 lakh. 3 lakh into 2. To equity share application 6 lakh. But the second entry will go this manner. Application account debit to share capital to bank. The company can transfer only 1 lakh into 2 into share capital because the company has only 1 lakh shares. The authorized capital of the company is of only 1 lakh shares. So the company can only transfer 1 lakh into 2 to the share capital account. Rest it needs to be refunded. So when you need to refund, you will have to make to bank account 2 lakh into 2, that is 4 lakh. So to share capital 2 lakh and to bank 4 lakh is the entry that you need to make in case of rejection. Rest all the entries regarding allotment, first call and final call will go similarly as it is going in any other question. So this was the case of rejection. Now we will see the case of partial or pro rata allotment. Under partial or pro rata allotment, that is case 2, suppose number of applications received is 3 lakh. However, number of shares available with the company is 1 lakh. Now also the company is following the process of partial or pro rata allotments, which means the company will not reject any of the applicant. Any applicant will not be rejected, but all of them will be provided shares, but on a lesser basis. So what is the ratio between the applications received and the number of shares available with the company? That is 3 lakh is to 1 lakh. 3 lakh is to 1 lakh is 3 is to 1. So anyone asking for 3 shares can only be allotted 1 share. In this ratio, the company needs to allot the shares to all the applicants. So the shares will be allotted to all the applicants in the ratio of 3:1, which means anyone applying for 3,000 shares will be allotted only 1,000 shares. So the ratio of 3:1 is to be followed here. The amount received in excess, since the one who is applying for 3,000 shares will pay application money for 3,000 shares, but you are only allotting him 1,000 shares. So after allotting 1,000 shares, the excess application money for 2,000 shares, that is 3,000 minus 1,000, 2,000. For 2,000 shares, rupees 2 each, that is 4,000. He has paid excess. That excess application money will be transferred to allotment and will be adjusted there. The amount received in excess will be transferred to allotment and adjusted there. You don't need to refund the amount in case of partial or pro rata allotment, but you will transfer the amount to allotment and it will be adjusted therein. Now if you see here, bank account debit 3 lakh into 2, since 3 lakh applications were received, so application money will be received for 3 lakh shares only. To share application account 6 lakh. The second entry will be share application account debit 6 lakh. To share capital, in share capital we can only transfer 1 lakh shares, 1 lakh into 2, that is 2 lakh. Rest amount will be transferred to share allotment. Share allotment 2 lakh into 2, 4 lakh. Because excess application money received for 2 lakh shares, total applications were received 3 lakh. I had only 1 lakh shares to issue, so the excess application money will be for 2 lakh shares. So 2 lakh into 2, 4 lakh. That will be transferred to share allotment. Now at the time of allotment, the amount will be due, that is share allotment account debit 1 lakh into 5. The company has only 1 lakh share, so on 1 lakh share 5 is the allotment money as given in the question. 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1.